Closure property in whole numbers. Objectives. Study of the closure property in whole numbers under 4 operations. Sandy is at a shopping mall. She went to the soaps and cosmetics section and took a pack containing 3 soaps and another pack containing 2 soaps. She has taken 5 soaps in total. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Here, 3, 2 and 5 are whole numbers. Similarly, 4 plus 5 equals to 9, whole number. 1 plus 4 equals to 5, whole number. 9 plus 0 equals to 9, whole number. Therefore, we can say that the sum of any 2 whole numbers is a whole number, or the collection of whole numbers is closed under addition. If A and B are any 2 whole numbers, then A plus B is also a whole number. This property is known as the closure property for the addition of whole numbers. Now, Sandy moved to the stationery section. She picked 4 packs of pens. Each pack contains 10 pens. She picked 4 into 10 equals to 40 pens in total. Here, 4, 10 and 40 are whole numbers. Similarly, 7 into 12 equals to 84 is also a whole number. Five into 6 equals to 30 is also a whole number. 3 into 0 equals to 0, whole number. From this example, we can conclude that the multiplication of 2 whole numbers is also found to be a whole number. If A and B are whole numbers, then A into B is also a whole number. Therefore, the system of whole numbers is closed under multiplication. Now, Sandy moved to the confectionery section. There are 10 cookie sachets, and she picked 8 of them. The leftover is 2 sachets. 10 minus 8 equals to 2. Here, 10, 8 and 2 are whole numbers. There are 6 cake packs, but she wants to pick 10 such packs, which is not possible. 6 minus 10. If A and B are two whole numbers, such that A is greater than B, then A minus B is a whole number. Otherwise, subtraction is not possible in whole numbers. Therefore, a set of whole numbers is not closed under subtraction. She moved to food and beverage section along with her father and mother. There are 3 drinks bottles. Each one has taken 1 drink. 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. Here, 3 and 1 are whole numbers. There are only 2 pizzas available. They shared them equally. 2 divided by 3 equals to 0.6666. Here, 0.6666 is not a whole number. If A and B are non-zero whole numbers, then A divided by B is not always a whole number. Therefore, a set of whole numbers is not closed under division.